Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Colada Academy. In this video we will understand how do you create disposable emails. Yeah, it may sound very weird and kind of something that seems to be impossible unless you delete your email or Gmail, but this is actually possible. So many a times what we tend to do is we get into a lot of different websites, right, and we try to use them, and maybe we do not really need to use them for more than a day or two, or more than a week or something, or not even more than 10 minutes or 20 minutes. This happens, right, with a lot of tools, or let's say some apps that you even try to use. It can be a gaming app, it can be something that is like, let's say, a music app, or it can be anything for that matter, or you just want to use it for a quick reason and just want to receive that email, verify that, and you do not really want to get hold of those people, they are not getting hold of you when it comes to sending you emails multiple times later on. Like if you go Gmail, then what happens is Gmail captures your data, right? Be it with Gmail, be it with Yahoo, be it with Hotmail, be it with Yandex, whatever it is, they will capture your data. And let's say you are now, after Gmail, you are going for some logins, and that login can be as quick as a login for, let's say, a game. Okay, so you are willing to play some online games, and you technically want to log in quickly, you want to play it for 1 hour or 2 hours. Let's say it's a solitaire, it can be anything for that matter, it can be any online games, and you really want to play that game, but you do not want to disclose your email ID, right? Believe me, most of these not only games, most of the apps out there, they do not really demand a Gmail. Like you can even get away without a Gmail. It can be any kind of an email, it can be Yahoo, Hotmail, Yandex, domain email, anything for that matter. But Gmail, if you give it to someone, or Yahoo, your private emails, like my email, let's say it's ends with Colada, now xyz at coladaacademy.com, or my name at coladaacademy.com, or my name at gmail.com. Now if I give that to them, which is my permanent address, and they will keep spamming me, that's the problem, and they sell your data. I mean, there are a lot of goof ups that happen though, but let's not get into that extreme of a discussion. But the point here is, how do you create a disposable email? Now at this point of time, now if you are quickly willing to get into something and get the job done within 10-20 minutes, or even lesser, or even higher certainly, then you can do that. You can create a disposable email, you can receive emails there. It will even avail entire panel, that is email sharing panel for you, and it's a go-to deal. I'll just show you. So you do not need to pay anything for this, you do not need to have any subscription on the same. Just go for something called temp mail and just visit this, and it's kind of done. So just visit the site, and here we go. This will now create your temporary email. Now 1 2 3, and yeah, here we go. So this is your temporary email. Now this email, as you get to see here, you can actually copy this to your clipboard, and if you scroll down, by the way, you can see your inbox is empty. Now you can send emails to this, you can actually send emails to this one. You can send email to this one, I mean, from any Gmail ID. Like right now I'm here. Now let's say if from my mobile phone, while creating this video, I really want to send an email to this, you will get to see that I'm receiving this email with this email ID. Now let's try this. I will just try to send an email. I am not just disclosing my email on the screen because of, again, some spam reasons. At NCDA Well, now I will just send it. Now in case you have sent it, now you will get to receive the email over here. So you can just give it a refresh. See, here we go. Well, so you can see here the email has come up, right, and it says hi. So that's the beauty of this tool. It's a powerful tool, and it's definitely a amazing tool that can help you to get away with a lot of threats, with a lot of issues that is about to spam, and that's about to capturing your data. Use TempMail at any juncture when you feel like you need to use a temporary email. Thank you.